In 1835, explorers in the African savanna observed a peculiar sight: elephants forming protective circles around their young. This behavior, rooted in survival, mirrors ancient human tribes who banded together for safety. Meanwhile, the elusive snow leopard of the Himalayas prowls alone, a testament to its solitary nature. Why do some animals thrive in groups while others prefer solitude? Herds offer protection and shared resources, but solitude grants stealth and independence. This age-old question echoes through history, challenging our understanding of nature's balance. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing stories like this.